Ka election pin thymmai nongkit kam ka Bynta ka Khasi student union ka balong hinne ka sngi ka khandai tere ujamang kalalong ka bayad bet yai rinti ha ka ba ya ka post president la job sok da isamla Raymond kharjana bat ka post president la job sok da open comment sanmien kat bai ka post general secretary la job sok da Ruben Anderson Najer klemdon kinu ki biya khun persha ikite kilai tili ki post ha ka ba ki de khot jong ka KSU tili kila shania ha kite kinong yalam kat bai ki wei pat ki post kum ka post assistant secretary la job do samla pinshai bor lang rani ya ka post organizing secretary la job do samla clean star shabong ya ka post education secretary la job do samla ilarik nongkenri ya ka post environment secretary la job yang da usamla shining barbecue ya ka post office secretary la job da usamla Gary R Maulie ya ka information public secretary pan la job da upinshai kupar dekhar but ya ka post sports and cultural secretary la job do ilarik Anthony nongkenri ha kani kasni kaseng kala ai khublei khaduru ya ki nong yalam barim kaseng kibla shong thai no kata usamla rangba lambok starwell marngar ubri u president lembar usamla Donald V Thaba ubri u general secretary lembar usamla biang bor palyar ubri u vice president barim kaseng.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.